Hi there, this is Fixed It. This is an unboxing of a coffee milk jug. This doesn't. And here we go. As you can see, it's a tiny little jug, stainless steel with a copper base, and I wanted the copper base and the stainless steel because I want it to transmit the heat. It's small enough for cooking single portions of things like soup and drinks, and I'm going to be doing some tests with it with my little Metz burner and doing some timings to see how long it takes to cook things. It's slightly handle heavy at the moment. This is a 250ml pan, which is roughly about 2/3 of a mug of coffee. But I will be boiling up some water in it and making myself a drink to see how long it takes and how much it costs. So please check out part 2 of this video. In fact, there'll be a series of cooking on a very small budget, and please subscribe to the channel. Check out my videos. There's over 500 to choose from and everyone is tried and tested. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.